Bradestina Rowena Juna S. Best in English, Best in Filipino, Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in Social Studies, Best in Extra and Co-Curricular Activities, with the highest honors. Erin Emmanuel D. with highest